What is up, boys and girls? It's your boy E-Man back at it again with another video. And today, as you can see, we have pretty much an unboxing of the T-Mobile 5G gateway, which is your home internet equipment that you get when you sign up. We're switching from Xfinity Comcast to T-Mobile's internet because it's cheaper. We're supposed to get much faster internet speeds, more reliable compared to what Comcast got going on lately with the blackouts. But we're not going to get into that. The video is all about this, so let's get right into unboxing, first impression of the product, and then we're going to set it up to see how it runs. All right, so getting right into it. Once I signed up for this thing, didn't take that much, pretty much like 2-3 days, and they shipped this out to me. Alrighty, so we have some information package. It would be dope to add some stickers. The main product, which you came here for. Oh, there's more stuff in there. I'm gonna set this aside, get everything out the box. And the charger. This charger looks like it's a USB-C, which is dope. It's a 27-watt power block. This is the product. Plastic built, not too heavy, probably right about 4 to 5 pounds. Let's take a look at the IOs. As you can see, you have your 2 Ethernet ports, you have your power, and then an extra USB-C port. Reset button, SIM card. You can see here it has a screen on it and a back button and a forward button, along with the power button in the middle. So I'm gonna take this downstairs. We're gonna move downstairs to where our current Xfinity system sits, and we're gonna get it plugged up, plug in my Ethernet, because I have an Ethernet cable running from downstairs up here. They do recommend that you place it on your top floor upstairs, but there's no outlets here on the top floor in the hallway or in the open that we can put it at. So I'm gonna take it back downstairs and find the most optimal spot to have it so where we can get better service in the whole house. All right, so I got the device downstairs. I have it plugged here, and then, well, we're gonna plug it in now actually and see what kind of boot up we get. I also brought my iPad just so we can help with the setup. And like I was saying earlier, they recommend you position it on the second floor or the upper floor of your house, but there's no power outlet in the hallway of my upper floor. So down here it is. Plus, this is where the living room, which where all the other gadgets are already at. We used to have the previous one up here by the TV, as you can see, caused a cluster and a whole bunch of cables. So we're gonna get rid of that as well, since we will no longer be providing TV through Xfinity. We're gonna get rid of all of that cable box. YouTube TV will be streamed on the TV, so easy peasy. But while we're waiting for that to power up, we're gonna go ahead and download the app on the iPad and then continue with setup. So this thing is not touchscreen, by the way. These are the only 3 buttons you can navigate with. So we've downloaded the app. We're gonna put this back here, open, and of course, we're using a giant iPad. Here also it tells us the time up in the top bar and then the connection strength. Looks like we have all the bars full, and we are pulling 5G signal at the moment. So we have the 5G gateway, not the old LTE. If you do have T-Mobile service right now and you have the LTE gateway, I recommend you give them a call or check online to see if you can upgrade to the 5G gateway, because it's supposed to be a lot more faster and reliable. So yeah. And of course, they're flying a helicopter, so I'm doing a video. Perfect. We did make sure this is the best spot that we can offer. And like I said, it's gonna help us alleviate all those cables from under the TV, so we should have a clean setup up there as well. I'm looking at the LCD. Basically, just gonna follow the prompt. I'm not gonna bore y'all with that, so I'm just gonna cut to the next screen. But now we're in. Okay, so we've changed the administrator password. Our setup is successful, and we got an indication on here as well. The connection is saying very good, but we're still missing 1 bar. So you can see we have weak, or poor, weak, good, very good, and excellent. I think that's about what I get on my phone as well, so we're not gonna stress much about that part. I'm just gonna check through the app. play around, see what's going on. You can reach out to customer support through the app as well. Restart your gateway, change your password, get more cellular metrics here. So this looks like it is dual band, both the LTE and 5G. So now we're gonna do a quick internet speed test. Not the fastest. So on the T-Mobile one, this is currently what we're pulling. Oof. We might be doing a downgrade. It's pulling roughly about 300 megs on Xfinity's system. What I'm gonna do is run my Ethernet cable to this system here, go back upstairs and do a speed test on my computer. So let's see. All right, so now that everything that's downstairs is set up already, what I'm gonna do is run another speed test up here, and we're gonna go ahead and run the speed test. This is what we're pulling upstairs. So it seems pretty consistent from upstairs to downstairs, which is a good thing, because now that all of our TVs are gonna be streaming YouTube TV, we're gonna need all the oomph we can get. Oh, we got up to 200. Upload speeds are still not the fastest. All right, so this is the speed test that we got on Wi-Fi upstairs. I'm gonna do the same thing on Wi-Fi over here. Go to Safari real quick, and we're gonna run a speed test, and then you can see what we got here. And then after that, I'm gonna also plug in my Ethernet to see how fast their connection is there. To look at Xfinity trying to run ads on my pages. They realize we're leaving them, but it's pretty sturdy upstairs. We're hitting the 200 marks, which is pretty good because that was roughly where Xfinity was giving us, around 200, 300 some days, and about 30 on this. So pretty impressed so far. Looks like it's getting better and better by the minute. All right, so now that's done. I'm gonna quickly turn off my Wi-Fi and plug in this USB-C with the Ethernet coming from downstairs. It's just like, yep, we're linked. We're gonna run another one and see, we got 20 ping, so a lot better. And we're pushing. So it looks like on a good day, we could possibly hit 300 on Xfinity's, on T-Mobile's internet. And so pretty good. We're pretty somewhere that I'm comfortable with, that I can get in my local area. So yeah, thumbs up to that. All right, here we go. The ping, download and upload speeds. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. It's a quick one. I know we got more content coming, so stay tuned on the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like and share with your family and friends. Stay blessed. Peace out. Ow!